Hey there, Randy here with your Thursday update. Wanted to comment briefly on the Federal Reserve action yesterday. As I'm sure you're aware by now, the Federal Reserve cut the federal funds rate by 1/4% yesterday. That was exactly what was expected, and the market loved the fact that expectations were met. 1/4% decrease was already baked into the mortgage rates. Mortgage rates didn't change. Then Chairman Powell got up and started to cast a little bit of doubt on whether or not there would be an additional rate cut in December. That's been built into the expectations already. And because there's now some doubt, not sure, we'll have to wait and see what's going to happen in December, mortgage rates actually increased. In fact, one of the clients I have who was looking at 6% on Monday was closer to 6.25 than 6% at the end of the day yesterday after all this movement. So rates definitely did tick up just a little bit. However, my phone rang off the hook yesterday because all my clients heard is rates came down, and that's what they've been waiting for. And I know that we have to be careful about that. I'm happy to explain to people the dynamics. But really, the people who called yesterday were faced with the fact that rates actually are lower right now than they were the last time we talked, because rates have been moving in the right direction. They're still very good. Depending on credit score and loan to value, we still can get very close to 6% on a conventional loan. So I was excited to open up the opportunity with buyers who are coming off the fence and ready to get out into the market. Most experts believe that mortgage rates are going to average somewhere around 6%, a little above, a little below, all the way through next year. And so now is the time to begin to act. Because right now I'm seeing buyers get into contract even with contingent offers. While not a traditional buyer's market, we are seeing more flexibility on the seller's part and accommodating things like accessing all the equity in the home without having to use an expensive bridge loan. So it's a great time for us. Let's stay active and engaged with our clients. And if you have a buyer who's interested in getting pre-approved, would love to talk with them and get them fully approved to go out shopping this weekend. I hope you have a great week.